So our first Galaxy Z Fold 5 render has been revealed, and I'll be honest, it definitely looks amazing. So, you guys have not been following the rumors. Pretty much, here are the rumors. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is going to have a dust-resistant rating of IP68, which obviously this first number 6 is the dust resistance, the second number is the water resistance. So, IPX8 is the pretty much standard for what we see for a lot of different cell phones. The 6 now will be, of course, the dust resistance, which will be the first Galaxy Z Fold device with dust resistance, which is absolutely amazing. And the way they're able to do that is because you guys can see right now, with the hinge being so much smaller, not only does it take away the crease inside, but it also makes it so that there's no gap in the display. So the two displays are together with almost no gap at all. The gap now, as they call it, is a paper-thin gap, which allows no dust to get in there, no dust to mess up the device, and absolutely, if we're being honest, looks freaking amazing. Now, of course, how would that, transition long-term? We'll have to wait and see. Nonetheless, though, my man Nizo Concepts posted this on YouTube, which of course is the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the concept for it. And as you guys can see, it is thin as... Actually, wait, this is the Z Fold 5 or this is the Z Fold 5. I was actually confused for a second. That's how thin it is. At first I was like, wait, is this Z Fold 5 or is this like a new Galaxy phone they're looking at? It is that thin. Holy crap! Again, this is not official, okay? This is just leaks. These are just information of what it might look like based on rumors. That is so thin. That is unreasonably thin. I am a loss for words if it ends up being this thin. Because, I'll be honest with you, one of the biggest issues with the Z Fold series, right? Number 1, crease in the middle. Number 2, size. Thickness. If you make it this thin, you're going to bring in so many new people. Obviously, price tag's number 3, which, of course, never will go down. But if you make it this thin, you're going to bring in so many new people. It's not even a joke. So many people are going to buy this phone just because of how thin it is. I mean, because you're literally taking away, with this hinge, right? You're taking away the thickness, the size, and the crease. The only thing you're not taking away is the price. Which basically I understand is going to be $1,800 again, so there's not much you can do there. But, wow. This looks absolutely gorgeous. Dude, I can't wait for the Z Fold 5. Because, although, again, like I said before, on paper, this is going to be exactly the same as Z Fold 4. Based on what you understand, it's not going to be any different than Z Fold 4. It's going to have the same exact camera layout. It's going to have the Galaxy S23 camera layout. It's also going to have pretty much just an updated processing unit. Same battery, same RAM, same everything else. Just an updated processing unit. And obviously, these features right here that will be changed. This is going to get so many people to buy a Z Fold series phone. I mean, if I was like just a random newbie person on the street who's never used a foldable phone in my life, I'll be honest, this would put me to that point of saying, maybe I want to go pick up a Z Fold series phone. Because, again, like I said before, this is an iPhone 11, right? You see how thin it is? This phone right here is like 2 iPhone 11s put on top of each other. Which is crazy because what we saw with the Z Fold series, with the 3, the 4, is that it's always been like the equivalent of a Surface Duo 2, where the thickness is crazy big. But again, like you sacrifice that for a really good foldable phone. Now you don't have to sacrifice that at all. Samsung is firing on all cylinders with this, and I can't wait to see what this ends up happening, what it ends up looking like. Again, the price tag will be $1,800, so it's not like it's going to be cheap. But still, I think it's going to look really, really good in the end. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys next one. Peace.